At the beginning of the story, we are shown a man named Max, who used to get busy with his work as soon as he woke up in the morning like every day. Max used to work very hard for his family, and he lived with his 2 children and his wife Mia in the middle of a mountain far away from the city, where there was no one around him. And then one day his son Bob starts covering the flowers present there, because Max was going to apply some medicine there today. Now after doing all this, Mia starts the machine there and Max starts spraying. Now after some time this work gets over, so Max goes to take a bath, and it becomes night there and Max also comes back after taking a bath. After that all the people start eating together, but there Bob does not talk to anyone. Seeing this, Max sits near him and tries to talk to him. Actually, Bob could not speak since childhood and his mental condition was also not good. Now after eating food, Janie starts studying there. Because she was very fond of reading, she used to read after finishing her work. Now the next day Max goes to the city and brings all the things he needs. And Janie also ordered some books for herself, while Bob ordered a telescope for himself to play with. Seeing this, both of them become very happy. And then the next day all of them get ready and go to meet Max's mom and dad, where both of them lived in a mountain far away from there. And these people always went to meet their mom and dad once a year. Now after some time all of them reach their mom and dad, where their mom and dad become very happy to see them. After that all of them start eating together, but Bob is sitting in a corner away from them without talking to anyone. Seeing this, Max's father tells Janie that your father tried a lot to get Bob treated but no doctor could cure him. Saying this, he goes to Bob and starts playing with him. Seeing this, Bob also becomes very happy. Now after some time it starts getting dark, so all of them go to their respective rooms to sleep. But Bob gets very scared there, so he goes to Jenny and sleeps with her. Now the next day, all of them come back to their house again. After that Jenny starts cleaning shoes there, while Bob starts looking around with the help of a pipe. But in the meantime, Bob's eyes fall on Jenny, seeing which, he starts feeling something strange inside. Although Jenny was his elder sister, still he keeps looking at her. Now at night, Bob starts playing with Max and on the other side, Mia is doing Jenny's hair. But then Bob goes and sleeps in Jenny's lap, seeing which Jenny also does not say anything to him. Now the next morning, Max starts cutting grass with a machine there. And the rest of the people also start their work. And after some time Max gets very tired there, so he starts resting. Seeing which, Bob comes there and starts cutting grass with that machine. But then suddenly that machine stops automatically. Seeing this, he does not understand anything, so Bob tries to start that machine again. Max stops him from doing so, but then that machine starts. And it goes straight down the mountain, due to which that machine breaks and gets damaged. And here Max also gets very angry seeing the condition of this machine. Seeing this, Bob feels that now his father is going to kill him, so he runs away from there in fear. Now after some time it becomes night, but Bob does not come back home the whole night. And then we are shown the scene of the next day where Max hears some sound outside the house. On hearing which, he quickly comes out and sees that Bob is there, who was breaking stones. Seeing which, Max becomes very happy. Actually, Bob is very stubborn since childhood, so as soon as something happens to him, he used to leave the house and go away. And his family knew this, that after a few days he will come back home himself. Now in the evening, Janie brings food for Bob. After that, she heats the food and starts feeding Bob. And after eating, Bob falls asleep in the mountain. Seeing this, Janie brings some clothes for him from home. After that, she lights a fire there and sits near it. Now, in a short while, it becomes night and the cold had increased a lot there. So Janie also goes to Bob. Seeing this, Bob is unable to control himself, so he starts kissing Janie. And Janie also does not say anything to him. After that, both of them become intimate there. Now, as soon as the next morning comes, both of them get up. And Janie also comes back home from there and starts her work. But here, Bob had still not gone home and he spends his whole day sitting in the same mountains. And as soon as night comes, Janie again goes to Bob. After that, both of them become intimate there the whole night. Now, like this, a few days pass and then one day, it rains heavily. And then Bob's eyes fall on a man. Seeing him, Bob feels that maybe Janie has come there. So he quickly goes to him and sees that there is not Janie but her father Max, who had come to take him back home. Seeing him, Bob also becomes very happy. After that both of them come back home. And seeing him, his mother also becomes very happy. After that Bob starts playing there, and while playing he goes to Janie, where Janie was also studying, so she ignores him. Seeing this, Bob gets very angry, so he starts breaking his bed. Now a few days pass by doing this, and then one day Max and Bob started working together. But on the other hand, Janie was sitting very sad, and after nightfall, all of them come to their house. And there Max starts counting the money he has, but there also Janie was sitting very sad. Seeing this, Max asks her, what happened to you? Why are you sitting so sad? But there Janie does not say anything to him and gets up from there and goes to her room to sleep. Now after the next morning, everyone starts doing their work and Janie also goes to work with her mom. But then Bob comes there very happy because he was wearing new clothes today. Now after the night, Max again starts counting the money because he wanted to buy a TV, so he was collecting money. But on the other hand, we see Janie where she does not get sleep the whole night because she was getting very upset about something. And then the next day Bob comes to Janie and tries to cheer her up because she was feeling very sad for many days. Now again after the night, everyone goes to sleep but then Janie goes to Bob. And both of them start getting intimate again. And then the scene shifts and we are shown the scene of a few days later, where now the weather had changed a lot. And then one day Mia and Janie were working at home when Mia notices that Janie has been sad for a long time. Seeing this, Mia starts asking her what happened to her. And then Janie hugs her and says crying that I am pregnant and this child is Bob's. Hearing this, Mia gets very surprised. Knowing all this, Mia does not understand what he should do. So she goes straight and tells all these things to Max. On hearing this, Max gets so angry that he also quickly takes out his gun and starts going to kill Janie and Bob. Seeing this, Mia tries to stop him. And here Janie was also very scared, so she hides behind her mom. Now Max is about to kill Janie when Bob comes from behind and catches him. After that, both of them try to snatch the gun while fighting with each other. But then suddenly a bullet is fired there. Hearing the sound of which, all of them get very scared. And then they see that the bullet had hit none other than Max, due to which Max dies on the spot. Seeing this, Mia also gets shocked and she also falls on the ground and dies on the spot. Seeing all this, Janie and Bob become very sad, because due to one small mistake of theirs, they had to lose their parents forever. Now even the servants cannot do anything. And then the next day Bob starts digging a grave outside his house. After making it, both of them together bury their parents in that grave. And then the scene shifts and we are shown the end of the movie where Janie and Bob started living together like a husband and wife. And with this movie also ends here.